welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tika Tikah. How are you today? Today I've got Tim Hortons. We're gonna see how delicious they taste. I brought home yesterday some Timbits for my kids, and I brought myself a dozen donuts, and I've got my almond milk. We're gonna see how quickly we can get through these donuts this morning. If you don't know from my last video, this is my favorite kind. It's just almond beverage. It's delicious. It just tastes so good. It's like light and refreshing and delicious. So, in this donut thing of mine, I think we will start with, so tough. We'll start with, I don't know if you can see all these. We'll start with this yummy one right here. It's so good. It's kind of like a cake donut. It's I guess you'd maybe call it like a grasshopper donut. It kind of got like a mint taste. I love donuts. It's really thick and doughy. You know what makes donuts even better is when they like put a little something on top and make it look cute. You probably have yours with milk. I have mine with almond milk. Donuts. I'm so hungry today. It's already like 11 and I haven't even eaten yet. I don't know what to do. I want to go for my favorite one, but something tells me maybe I should not. I'm gonna go for one of these ones. These are the sour cream ones. Oh, good. They're not as thick as the chocolate ones is. They're a little bit lighter. I brought napkins today. My seafood mukbang ended up making me really messy that day, which was not a problem, but it got all over my clothes, so I wasn't even about to do that today. You know, I was watching the news and then I hit Google up. I cannot believe it. There is a family in California where the parents lock their 13 children up, let them shower twice a year, and I think fed them once a day. That disgusts me. I cannot believe people would treat their kids like this. Welcome. Blows my mind. Honestly, these people need to be in jail for the rest of their life. The way that they've scarred these children, I couldn't even imagine. Couldn't even imagine. Poor children. Absolutely poor children. Okay, so this one is, I think it's called like, it's a honey cruller. Honey cruller. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. It's supposed to be like a lot lighter of a donut, kind of like more eggy, I would say. It's really good. Okay. This isn't super sweet, so if donuts are too sweet for you, this would be a good one to get. It's not super sweet. It's kind of like lighter. I feel like I could eat this and just still go do me today, you know? This is really good. I mean, look at it. Look at the inside of it. It's really kind of flaky. I should have got more of these ones. For me, I'm embarrassed those people even live in California. They need to be jailed for life. I cannot believe what they put these children through. It blows my mind. You know, every once in a while with the news you hear something that's just like so crazy, and that really caught my attention because like I have a lot of kids and I love my kids so much. And there's nothing I wouldn't do for them. Absolutely not one thing. I mean, they can drive me crazy all in the same day, and then I pick up my sanity again, and then I go forward with my day. But I would never treat nobody like that, and nobody should ever treat anybody like that. It's disgusting. Which one should I go for next? Let's go for... I think I'm going to go for the powdered one. This one, there's this one right here. I don't know what it has inside. I just kind of was like picky choosy, whatever. It's a jam filled one. Yummy. I wonder if Tim Hortons actually uses like a certain particular kind of jam, like Smucker's or something, or if they make their own. You know, the good thing about this particular powdered donut is this is actually not very sweet. It's kind of more like dry doughy. But I guess mixed with this, it's super sweet on the inside. What's your favorite type of donut, and what place do you like to go to? So, oh my god, I'm so excited. It looks like I might finally be getting my Fashion Nova package that I've been waiting for so long. To be honest, I don't know if I'll order from them again. Every time I order, they're always out of something that I order. Always. Like, how are you always out of something I order? There can't be that many people that want the exact same item, but maybe there is. But it sucks because they give me this freaking rebate thing that I've got to go in order to get free shipping from me. I have to pay I have to use up $75. Does that make sense? Pretty much I feel like they're tricking me into spending more money, because when I go online and look, it says sometimes that the items that I ordered are still available. Does that make sense? It seems a little bit sketchy. I haven't had the best experience. I mean, I've had to email them so many times, and then it takes a couple days for them to email you back, and then you're like, where's my stuff? Like, I literally ordered stuff in November for New Year's, and I'm thinking, okay, place my order, I'm giving it a month to get here, right? Nope. It took them about 2 weeks to respond to me after I emailed them to ask them where my stuff was. And then they finally responded back and told me and that I didn't have enough stuff, that they were going to issue me a rebate. And I was like, what? Here's this one. It's just a chocolate covered one. And I think this one has cream inside. Some of the chocolate from my grasshopper one got on this one's kind of minty. Okay. Hold on. I don't know if you can see it, but there's cream inside there. Today I just feel like so mellow. Like I have no energy. And I can't be the only one that feels like that today. Like honestly, it's overcast out. It's been raining. And I don't want to do anything today other than eat. Just want to eat. And then maybe Netflix it too. There's some really good series on right now. Honestly, for me, my favorite type of donuts are the ones that have like the cream filling in it. Sometimes I wish they would do like their cream filling with just powdered sugar on the outside. So it wasn't super sweet, but it was sweet enough. Sometimes I feel like Tim Hortons tricks me. Alright? I go in there thinking I'm going to get 50 Timbits. I walk out with 100 Timbits and a dozen donuts. Quit making it smell so good up in there, Timmies. So good. My husband wanted me to save him some donuts, so I can't eat all of these. I got it stuck to the roof of my mouth. Oh, it's so good. So tired. I yesterday drove about 12 hours just so I can go into civilization and be able to do my shopping. The roads were terrible to drive on. I hate it when it's so rainy that your windshield wipers are on full blast and it's still terrible. And you zero visualization. I can't even talk. You couldn't see anything. It drives me crazy. I need to start drinking out of straws because my teeth are so sensitive, and I always put ice in my drinks because I like them to be cooler, especially with donuts. But the ice comes down and then I try to like get it to go back and it just doesn't want to work very well. I've spilled everywhere like always. Okay, I'm gonna leave the rest for my husband. Thank you for having my breakfast with me. I hope you like and subscribe. And yeah, let me know what kind of videos you want to watch and what you want to see.